All right, we are here in the Gage building in Penn State Berks campus, and we are going to talk to you about an exciting new initiative. It's called the MIL, standing for Manufacturing Innovation Learning Lab. And I am Rungun Nathan, Professor of Mechanical Engineering and the program chair here at Berks. With me is Terry Speicher, who's the director of MIL and the associate professor of engineering. Terry, can you tell us a little bit about the MIL?
Certainly. Thanks for introducing that, Rungun. So our mission for this, what we call the Manufacturing Innovation and Learning Lab, or we shorten it to the MIL at Penn State Berks, is to support this greater Berks County industrial community. Manufacturing is a big thing in Berks County. As we have emerging technologies here, bringing in the fourth industrial revolution, or what's commonly called Industry 4.0.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Industry 4.0?
Certainly. So we talk about the first industrial revolution happening basically down in the 1700s. And that was when a lot of the power to drive industry transferred over from animals and water power over into steam power. And that went on for some time. And then we had electrical bringing in the second industrial revolution. And that changed the factories around, because now instead of being vertical, the factories could go horizontal. You had distributed power networks. And that went fine through the 1800s. We got into the 1900s and we got computers. And that brought in really the third wave with automation. So there's a lot of automation, which refined a lot of manufacturing processes. And that automation now has led to Industry 4.0, which is where we're connecting these machines together. So all these automated machines that were operating independently can now network together. And those data streams can be used, and that's going to lead to Industry 5.0, where we bring in artificial intelligence and machine learning.
That sounds pretty exciting. So we're talking about Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, machine learning. But can you tell me how the MIL is going to help the bigger community around Greater Reading and Berks?
So the idea here is to use the MIL as an opportunity to transfer technology with the 3.0 automation and the 4.0 networking to the companies that are doing advanced manufacturing. We have a lot of small companies and medium-sized companies in the area. They have very limited resources to bring in these initiatives, so we want to assist with that. So the MIL will acquire equipment that'll help us develop digital twins for looking at their products, which is pretty much done now with CAD, but also their processes, which is a new phase of smart factories and digital factories, and that will allow them then to simulate their performance and to optimize it. We also want to use the opportunity to help the companies digitize their documentation, because there's much legacy engineering documentation that's still in paper form, and we want to get that in digital form so it's readily available to everybody in the company, and they can use it again to optimize things. And then the other aspect is just training of incumbent workers, and also the opportunity to bring in training for our STEM pipeline and things like that for this state-of-the-art production.
So this sounds all very interesting. So it will be a huge benefit to our corporate sponsors in a variety of ways, right? It's going to support students in our 2 accredited programs, the BS in EMET, BS in ME. It's also going to help company with the initiatives to support our renowned faculty. It's also going to help collaboration between students, Penn State Berks, and looking at all the challenges that they have to meet, give them a good learning environment in Cornerstone projects, which is in the first year, and then in Capstone projects, which is in the final year. In addition, they can also get projects for other classes, and finally help through the Berks Learning Factory also to sponsor capstone projects. We can also have faculty consultation through research projects, and so much more. Thank you so much, Terry, for all that information.
And just to wrap up, so if you want to find out more, we have a website, MIL at Penn State Berks. Go to berks.psu.edu/MILL, and you can find out more about the MIL. Thank you.